Abantu baminto mbiyamole ngakia tatego sokiga nama etenji no magusie mo samaro mwana minto protocol. I want to tiangireri bageri kubaira nimbiyamono mwenspi muna morega bachase ngeje tubwate our honorable MCA omushimiwa wa Kodregasi abana abantu ba won't speaker. Thank you so much for everything. Even when I was still in the US, you were messaging me. I want to thank you for that. The security teams, besides my security details, thank you, you and your team. I salute you. Thank you, Gaki. But anyways, we didn't need security. But in all seriousness, I appreciate you. It's not easy to be doing what you're doing and your team, to put yourself in harm's way, to make sure that my family and myself, we are safe, we are enjoying ourselves. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. My sister Juliet, thank you. I don't know if she's still here. I want to thank her so much for making sure that the principal of this school, the head teacher, I was here about last year or so, last 2 years ago, to a feeding program. You welcomed as well. Thank you so much, Igainka. And everything we can do, we'll continue to support to this school. My family, I want to thank you. Don't Control I has officially arrived. It quickly. Let me finish quickly. I saying in Chibuna Bateva, she's a child. Once more. My parents, my family, thank you for standing with me. Yachire bunge ya USA. Amen. With that, I'll be working closely with our MCA here and the leadership of Nyamira County. There's a lot of opportunities in the US, but we need good leadership on the ground here. You were talking about America. So, but I want to say, we are here to work with you. We are here to partner with you. Gaki, thank His Excellency Governor Nyaribo and your team for making sure that this road was made in order for us to be here. Now, the last thing I want to finish. My young ladies, young ladies, stand up. Share this with you. Be true to who you are. Gaki, Uncle, interpret this. I want them to hear. Be true to who you are. Yani evange.
Don't I look smart? I want to tell you this.
It doesn't matter where you come from. Yani family rich.
As you see me, I have come from a low family here.
I want to encourage you that no matter your circumstance, that you can make it. Don't let anybody lie to you.
To basa go tigo ndako ngaine.
Focus on your goals.
Gendra ko beka maisa ao ase ebipimo bibu bekere to tate wetania.
Have those goals and work towards them.
Ebintu bidio beke to tate ko kora o bikore na endo bietani.
Don't tell yourself that you're not worth it because everything around you said so.
To basa wete binga to iseni ngekera kere ntoke wetani na bake goteba.
Love yourself and value yourself.
E anjeri tangani na ende omanya ngaino muntu wengenjo.
Don't rush into big life decisions. Take your time.
To basa kominyokera ebinte binene byo bulimo.
Onyo momura gago chaga gotegazo kungaina motebi ntigengo.
If a boy tells you I want to marry you, tell him not yet.
I have things to do.
And
focus on that. Because once you focus on that, everything else will come. Inje Mr. Ndie kina ganyete mbaka ngagotakego mbaka tumanya until
I waited and I really gave Ndie a rough time until I was ready for him to marry me.
When we first started, we've been together for 15 years. I told him that I have to go to school. I have to start my career. And then when I'm ready, when I feel that I'm ready, then we can proceed. And it's been a wonderful 15 years. So with that said, I love you. You are beautiful. Muko Kenya hii mnasema muko maridadi, si ndio? Mumesete. God this day. You've done us proud as a family. Asanteni and be blessed.